snap rings. It's a pain in the ass. Hi, in today's video I'm going to change my sprockets. From 1546 to 1448. Tools and some cooling system, and we're rolling.
So, by the way, this is not a tutorial video. This is more of experience sharing. If you will pick up something you didn't know before from this video, then good for you. If you don't, then at least you are entertained. I hope. Entertained. I'm changing to higher gear ratio to increase my acceleration in expense of lowering my top speed. Why would I trade my top speed for better acceleration? Because I believe that this engine has power and torque designed for low and mid-range RPMs. Same as a dirt bike. Top speed single-cylinder engines are those that can achieve around 10 k's and up. Ito, nasa 8,500 RPM lang yung limit niya. Sa stock yun. Pwede mo yun baguhin. Pwede mo tanggalin yung limit na yun. I don't achieve the top speed in the stock. So, why would I need that, right? Palakasin na lang natin siya sa low and mid-range. Better acceleration, baby. And also, the stock carburetor is too lean. Meaning, maliit yung jettings. There's no way you can achieve top speed of that. So if I cannot achieve higher RPMs with this engine, then I'll just improve its performance in low and mid-range RPMs. That is why I am changing my gear, baby. Also, one factor or reason why I am changing my gearing is my environmental condition. Ayun, for example, sinabayan ka mag-swerving ng bus sa harap mo. Alangan naman ng pag-guide mo eh. Siyempre, mag-decelerate ka. If mabilis mag-accelerate setup mo, you can recover quicker to your higher speed. That's one advantage of having fast acceleration. Mas kamote, di ba? Pero mas kamote pa rin yung mga rider na nakababad sa top speed nila. Yung control nila yung salpok sa bus.
Snap ring pliers. Easy! Without this, it's almost impossible to remove this fucking thing. I don't know the technique, but just buy this pliers, man. It costs around 250 pesos. I forgot. Sabi nila, ang kasukat daw na bushing nito ay sa TMX. Rubber bushing. Mukhang kailangan ko na magpalit dahil sira na! Nagagloves ako rito kasi masyado siyang magrasa. Yuck! You. Testing natin ngayon kung sukat yung binili kong sprocket. Oy, kasya! TSR 48T. It fits perfectly. Ngayon yung rubber bushing ko parang may mga crack. Magpapalit na ba ako? Bili muna kaya ako. Paano natin malalaman kung okay pa ito? Hindi na to okay. May crack na eh, oh. Ops, mukhang ikakat ko ang video para bumili ng TMX rubber bushing.